Hi Gemini, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a money and work reading for you. Some of our subscribers reached out and recommended it, and I said, okay, why not? We're all stuck in this COVID and a lot of money troubles right now. And yes, it is love and money are two things that we can manifest in our lives, right? We can attract it with our behavior, we push it away with our thoughts. So what is it that we can learn from spirit to attract, a positive outcome where money is concerned for us? So let's try it, and let's go ahead and see what comes up for you, Gemini. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send us the messages they need to hear the most to manifest money and good work in their life. Thank you. So Gemini, let's begin. Thank you all my subscribers for all your love, and if you're new here, do subscribe. We're a small Omkara family. We meet here once a week for every zodiac sign, and we do love readings, we do mid-monthly, monthlies, you and yours, and now with my subscribers recommendation, we're doing a money reading as well. So let me know how this works out for you, and if you want me to continue these. The star, okay, wishing upon a star. Are you, Gemini? Great. That's a nice card to have. Let's start here. Let's see how you're doing in your current position. The High Priestess. Tapping into your spirituality, Gemini, right now. You are trying to go within and figure out the best course of action for yourself. Yes, you, I think, are ready for a new beginning. You are trying to tap into your spirituality and going within to see what is it that you can do, like from the depth of your soul. What are your talents? What are your capabilities? And how you can manifest a brand new beginning for yourself, right? What is it that you can do to move ahead? You want to take a leap of faith maybe in some new thing that you maybe are thinking about or manifesting or dreaming about, and you are now trying to make a firm decision as to what is that new beginning that I want to do for myself. So are you thinking of a new job or a talent? Oh, here's the star again. Wow. Gemini, you are really tapping into your higher self, it seems, and maybe lots of prayers going on. You're trying to tap into your spiritual side to come up with a new plan. Yes, so this is definitely regarding work. Okay, look at this person hard at work creating the pentacles. What a lovely card to come in a money read. So even though right now things may have been a bit stuck, where money is concerned, you are wanting to have this passionate new beginning. This is in your current position. So you are, tapping into everything from the depths of your soul to come up with a new plan, to have a passionate, new, a creative, abundant beginning for yourself. And you're willing to work for it, and you are making plans. And yes, praying and wishing upon the star to make all this come true. And with all these positive cards, in one, on one card, which is the High Priestess, this is, it's going to go well, it seems. It's going to go well. This could be with a company or a big structure, like I have the Hierophant here. So this could be, in a, Hierophant is like a structured thing. So it could be like with a university, or it could be with a multinational company, some organized place that you're trying to manifest. See, here you are manifesting some kind of a new beginning here. Or could be in your own work as well, but you are looking for some very committed and solid beginning for yourself. So let's see where you were in your recent past. King of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, in the past you were not feeling that grounded. Sorry, too many cards. So in the past you were not feeling very grounded in your finances, it seems. Some, things were not very clear as to what direction this new beginning was going. This King of Pentacles is in reverse, right? So your money finances were not at its best, and you were not very clear as to which direction to go to, how to kind of make a, things almost felt that they're coming to an end in the past, right? Something, maybe you felt that something is over, maybe your job got over or some business contract got over. You were feeling pretty low and down, thinking, oh my God, now what am I going to do? And here you were in the past, battered and bruised, but still having the courage to fight another day. Look at this man's head all bandaged up, but still like kind of leaning upon that wand, the last wand, to say, hey, I'm not going to give up and I'm going to try one more time. And this time, Gemini, I see you not only relying on your pentacles or your work, but you're also relying on spirit. And which is why I think you're here today to hear this reading, right? You are trying to manifest with the help of the whole universe something very new and stable for yourself. Yes, you want to put an end to all these old chapters of your life and start something brand new. You're coming into a very, very fresh new cycle, new chapter of your life, which I feel, Gemini, it's going to be very good. Because, I mean, look at all the major arcana here. You have the World, you have the Magician, you have the Hierophant, you have the Wheel of Fortune, you have the Star, you have the Lovers, and you have the High Priestess. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 major arcanas to, clarify one card. You are really in this space now where you're going to do something phenomenal, Gemini. Let's see, so what's coming up for you? The Sun, thank God. Oh my God, I would have beaten myself up if anything less had come, Gemini, for you, because these cards, can only lead to this, the happiest card in the deck. Something fabulous is going to come into your life in August. I mean, time is fluid, but you're going to start now. So you may see the beginnings of it, or maybe you could see the full of it, because the Sun is here. The Sun is here for you, Gemini. Wow. Okay, let's take a clarifier for this. I don't want to, because the Sun is the Sun, but yes, passionate new beginnings. Okay, you're going to move ahead in this energy, and people are going to look at you and say, wow, Gemini's really got it. Gemini's really got it now. It's going to be a partnership, okay? You'll be offered something very, very good. It could be a partnership in business. It could be a very good offer, which is totally, look at these two people looking eye to eye with their cups in the same level, right? It's going to be exactly what you want. It'll be something which will give you self-respect. It'll give you something which is going to make you extremely happy. Gemini, if this works for you, I want thumbs ups. Thousands of them from you. I know you can't do that on one video, but I'm just kidding. What I mean to say, leave me a comment, tell me. I just feel very happy for you that this came true for you. I'm so happy for you, Gemini. So, yes, you're going to have all your pentacles in order. See, this is the card of the person who has it all, who doesn't need to ask anybody. They have that beautiful garden, they have their pentacles, they have wearing fine clothes, they have a falcon sitting on their arm, for God's sake, and they are, they are in the best space possible. Gemini, I'm excited for you. Congratulations. I really, really hope this reading manifests for all Geminis out there. So let's see, what is it that you are holding on to? You're holding on still to a very defensive mode, Gemini, but in a way it's good, because you are in that same place where you are still holding that same wand and saying, I'm not going to let anything stop me. I've still got my wand with me and I'm going to fight another day. This is the second time this card has come out, Gemini. It was here as well, somewhere. Yeah. Right? This is when you felt beaten down or whatever, and you stood up to say, I'm not going to give up. So Spirit is saying, very good, hold on to this. Hold on, don't let this feeling go. And things are going to start. I know right now you may be in a period of contemplation, trying to tap into your spirituality. And very soon, Gemini, fast movement is going to come towards you. It's going to be so quick and so fast that you will be taken aback. These cards don't come out that easy, and nor do these cards which were in your future position, the Sun, the Two of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, and there was one more nice one, the Queen of Wands. So all these cards are going to be forward, and Pentacles, money, good work. So Spirit is saying, hold on to this. Don't give up hope, right? So let's see, what is it that you should let go of? Knight of Wands. So Spirit is saying that don't be wishy-washy, okay? Don't try one thing and leave it. Go to the next and leave it. Be very sure, okay? And whatever you want to do right now, Gemini, don't talk to too many people about it, right? Don't. And if you are in this position where you are not, sending out the signals that you're looking for something good in your life, I think this is a time to let go of that feeling that you can't or you won't get it, and if I reach out to somebody, I'm not going to get this offer or whatever. Spirit is saying let go of this feeling completely, right? In case you're too silent and not reaching out. So Spirit is saying right now, just be focused, okay? Don't be like in the King of Wands energy where you're trying everything and nothing on your own. So communicate a little bit and go for what you really want, because that's going to give you great results. Let's see, what's your biggest hurdle this month? The Fool in reverse. Not taking a chance on yourself will be your biggest hurdle this month, Gemini. It'll stop all your growth, okay? You are destined to have this energy. The Empress is a card which represents a lot of growth. Your hurdle will be not taking a chance on yourself or not taking a leap of faith. So take that leap of faith, jump off that cliff to your new beginning, and trust that Spirit's going to catch you. Okay? So this will be a hurdle in case you sit back and don't reach out. Don't reach out to what you want. Yes, justice will come to this equation very soon. Things will be put right for you, Gemini. Don't worry about it at all. Let's see how people view you, Gemini. They see you, Gemini, as feeling very regretful and very sad and concentrating on what you've lost, as we saw in your past energy, right? So people see you as you are feeling very down and out and you're feeling miserable about what you lost, but you're not ready to turn around and talk to them. And that's what Spirit says. But you have to now turn around and, move forward in a positive direction. Yeah, they see you as not taking any action to move forward. Right? So, Gemini, here's a confirmation for you if you have been procrastinating and thinking, it's not going to work out and let me not make any new changes in my life. People are seeing you like that as well, and they're seeing you as, just crying over spilt milk here, which is the totally wrong thing to do, because there is so much abundance ahead for you. Anything else, Spirit, as to how people view Gemini? Oops. How do people view Gemini? Yes, they see you as being very emotional, not talking to them, not revealing your innermost secrets to them, and feeling very confused and just walking away and being by yourself. Let's see what Spirit's secret message is to you. Oh, I love my spirit guides. Ace of Cups. Things are going to go so well for you, Gemini. You have no clue. Maybe I should put a donation tab on my channel as well. So when you come into all these pentacles, you can send me some. Spirit is saying the same thing. Stop being self-conflicted in your mind now, Gemini. Stop focusing on the past like people are seeing you. Stop running away from your troubles, okay? It's now, don't be in the sneaky energy where you say, okay, I'm no longer going to deal with anything. I don't want to work at anything anymore. Spirit is saying there's so much love and abundance coming for you, you don't even know. You're going to love your new work. You're going to love your new job. One more card for Gemini, Spirit, as your secret message. Need I say more, Gemini? Need I say more? Four of Wands is Spirit's secret message for you. So much stability is going to come to your life. You're not even going to be here on my channel anymore. You'll be so busy collecting all your pentacles and making yourself this very stable place in the future. Don't forget about me, okay? Lots of love to my Geminis. You take care of yourself, okay? Let me get an angel blessing card for you as well. You made me feel very happy with this reading, Gemini. Thank you. I love to do happy readings. One more card. Beautiful cards. Yes, Gemini, your rewards are coming. First of all, okay? Your rewards are definitely coming. In the letting go position, we had your communication skills, right? If you're not talking to people or trying to have any forward movement with you, Spirit's saying this is a time to speak your truth and go towards what you want. Practice makes perfect, right? So if you have an idea in your mind, speak about it. It's going to bring you lots of awards, rewards, abundance, money, everything. Don't keep it in your heart. Work towards it. Every little step that you're going to take as little movement towards whatever your dream is, practice is going to make you perfect. And look deeper. Things are going on in the backgrounds. The whole universe is working behind your back to bring this into fruition for you. Even though right now you may be feeling nothing is working, Gemini, things are really working in your favor. If you've lost something or a job or anything in the past, you'll realize very soon why that went down. Because when you get this new opportunity, you're going to be thanking the heavens for it. Okay? So you take care of yourself. Love and light. Wish you the star. Lots of love. Take care. Namaste to all of you.